So the ramp guys are a group of volunteers through the Avoca United Methodist Church, and they build ramps. Through our partnership in the Office for the Aging, we can identify the people. So if your mother needs a ramp, you call the Office for the Aging and we can screen for her eligibility and put you in touch with the ramp people that can very quickly build a ramp within a short period of time, which is usually what people need.
There's roughly 10 to 12 of us on the crew, volunteers, all volunteers. Most everybody's all retired. We have one fellow that's working with us that's was laid off from his job, so he's working until he gets another job. But yeah, at one time I was the baby of the group at age 72. Now you can see I got a couple guys that are younger, so I no longer can claim the title of the baby of the group. It's a pretty nice little ministry we got going. We've helped a lot of people. As you can see from the sign, this is ramp number 480. We've built them all over Steuben County. Most everybody is just so thankful when we come to building the ramp. A lot of them can't afford to buy the materials. That's where the Office of the Aging comes through for us. They supply the money through donations and their own funds, and we provide the free labor, and virtually everybody we build for is special to us.
Glenn is very meticulous about the inventory. He knows where every 2x4 is. When you don't need that ramp anymore, they're collecting those materials and reusing them, and they use special pieces to make sure that they can reuse them. So it's really a beautiful partnership.
Every one of these guys volunteers at something other than just this. They volunteer at food pantries. One guy helps take care of a cemetery. These guys come from all walks of life, and their motivation is just simply to help people. I can remember one fellow, we got the ramp built, and it wasn't even quite finished yet. He had a power scooter. He came down the thing with his scooter and started right on the sidewalk, hollering, "I'm free, I'm free." Our goal is just to help